Hey everybody, welcome to the next video that we have on our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here. Glad that you're here. Love bringing these videos to your attention. Looks like we just had a lot of viewership on our most recent video about a hit list, and I've got more stocks for you to put on your hit list. These are stocks that definitely could be on the move right now, so you definitely have to keep your eyes on them. So I've got about 6 stocks or so. News is driving these stocks, but we're going to analyze them in the VectorVest software to get a better determination of if it's the right time to get into these stocks or should you wait. All right, let's get right into the stories that I have. And there we go. Let's get right into the stories that I have. And it's going to start off with the CRM. CRM just beat earnings. What is the CRM stock forecast after amazing earnings beat? And this is huge. Salesforce has gained 14% as a result of its stellar performance in the recent fiscal quarter. Moreover, several analysts continue to see CRM stock as a buying opportunity. So it made my list today. What else is happening? Well, lithium is still something to keep your eyes on. It's a tough space. It goes up, it goes down, and I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, when the heck am I going to make some money with lithium? There have been some buying opportunities and there have been some money-making opportunities, but there's 3 lithium stocks that are in this story. It says, which lithium stock has the highest upside potential? Now, keep in mind, there's only 3 stocks listed in this story. There's a lot of other lithium stocks out there that you could play, but we're paying attention to this. Now, lithium prices have declined from the highs seen over the past 1.5 years. Nonetheless, and here's the kicker, the long-term demand for lithium remains robust due to the growing adoption of electric vehicles, and the demand for electric vehicles is definitely moving higher and use in other applications. We will discuss Wall Street's opinion about these 3 lithium stocks. Well, let the story discuss their opinion. Let's use the VectorVest system to look at these 3 stocks to see which one does have the highest upside potential. Everybody knows that Glenn loves Apple, and Apple may be getting ready to rock and roll. Why the Apple stock is rising today and could be headed to $200 per share. The story talks about Goldman Sachs initiating coverage on it with a buy rating of $199, citing significant upside in the tech giant services businesses. And there's a lot more that goes into it, but we're going to use the VectorVest system to get a better idea outside of what any one analyst has to say. And last but not least, put the 2 things together, Apple and TSMC. Woo-wee! This is something that I think these 2 stocks specifically, you got to keep your eyes on. Vital Apple supplier Taiwan Semiconductor to appoint 6,000 engineers in a year where people are laying off people. This could be great news. Taiwan Semiconductor looked to hire over 6,000 new staff, not 600, 6,000 new staff in 2023. They eyed younger engineers with associates, bachelor's, and master's or doctorate degrees in electrical engineering or software-related fields, blah, 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 blah. The average overall salary for a new engineer, $65,000. That's not half bad, huh? All right, and more stuff in regards, and this is another one. TSMC's advantage to make some of the most advanced chips for high-end customers like Apple has shielded it from a downturn. Those 2 things together with the hiring and sort of kind of a recession-proof factor built in, Taiwan Semi, there's a lot of semiconductor stocks out there that are on the move too, but Taiwan Semi is in the news for us in this story. All right, let's get into the software. Let's get to my list of stocks, and boom. Let's get to my list of stocks. Here's my watch list of stocks, 6 of them. But 3 of them are the lithium stocks, ALB, SQM, and LTHM. So as we look at these stocks, and the beautiful thing about using a VectorVest watch list, when you build a watch list, is that these stocks are automatically sorted by our master indicator VST. Notice that all of the stocks have a VST above 1, which means the combination of value, safety, and timing are favorable. Remember, all of these indicators right here are all cast on a scale between 0 and 2, and above 1 is favorable. The only one that's got a CI or price growth persistence is Albemarle with a CI at 1.10, SQM. And notice that two of the top stocks in here are lithium stocks. And let's take this a step further. I'm going to highlight any one of those and we'll look at the industry graph. I want you to see something in regards to the industry for lithium. Again, it's a tough place to be, but most recently starting to go up on an upturn after hitting a level of support. I like that the 3 and the 8 on the industry has gone up. I'd really like to see it break through both levels of resistance and actually take out the 3-month high. If I don't want to wait for the 3-month high on the industry, let's see if it at least can take out this level of resistance sitting at the value of 46.40. Now, something else catches my attention. Look at the earnings per share on the industry. So this is news, and a lot of people know that lithium is on the rise. I'm watching the industry though, so I want you to see that the industry is starting to rise, but I'm watching the earnings for the industry still higher than it was, it looks like now 6 months ago, which is a positive thing, but it's fallen off. But it's taken a hit lately as well. Could this be a new start of an uptrend for the lithium space? Possibly. All right, as I look at all of the stocks below on my average, watch list average, these are good stocks. Relative values above 1, these stocks as a whole should outperform a AAA corporate bond by 43%. They're safe companies that make money, and they're all in uptrends. The CI as a whole is still below 1, but at least I found 2 stocks with a CI at or above the value of 1. All right, that's the last thing we're going to do. We're going to take a look at the graphs, put these on a 3-month graph. Here's the lithium stock bouncing off support. 3.8 just crossed. I'd like to see it get out of its own way. Again, this could be the beginning of a run up. I'm looking at SQM. If I'm looking at the two of them, both of them, I like ALB over SQM right now. As I look at CRM, earnings play, bottom left, top right, I like the play, pull back, that makes sense. I'd like to see it take out that 3-month high. As I look at TSM, this news could be a nice run. Now, TSM had a nice run back here. Could it be setting up for a new run? Let's go see if it can break above this level of resistance of 91.36. Watch the earnings per share as well. They're still positive, sitting at what, $5.70, pulling back a little bit. But again, we'll attribute that to the market moving down. Market starting to look like it wants to get legs, but we'll keep our eyes on that. All right. As I look at Apple, nice jump up on Apple coming off a level of support. Nice update, 3.8 cross, gap up, and now right at the 3-month high. I like Apple play right now. I'm actually thinking about jumping on board with it. Lithium, Livent Corp, 3.8 just crossed. A little bit of a down day today. Beautiful level of a hammer. Could be turning around right now. So folks, these are stocks that definitely could be on the move, but time the move. Just because I'm telling you that these stocks could have a move to go up, time them. Don't just blindly go and buy them. All right. Whatever moving averages you use, whatever support, resistance, any of those things, time them plays. Don't just blindly buy. That's not my job. My job is to bring them to your attention, put them now in your newly discovered hit list if you haven't already, and keep your eyes on them. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.